So this is the Panasonic RF-2200 radio. It's one of my favorites. I don't really use it that often because it's such a rare radio and it's something that I don't want to see get damaged or anything like that or overused. So I usually use it on nights where I'm really trying to take it easy. I'm not in a rush to do anything, so I know nothing's going to happen to it. And I kind of want to go over some of the features. So it's very similar to your modern radio like the Texan PL600 or the PL880 or anything like that. In my opinion, it outperforms all those radios. And it also outperforms the Grundig Satellite 800 Millennium radio. That's just my opinion, but I feel like this is a really good radio, especially considering it's over 40 years old at this point. It's definitely a great radio for its age, and it still works better than some of these brand new radios. One of the reasons that I bought this radio is because I was watching a YouTube video about medium wave DXing, and I saw the gyro antenna in action, and I also listened to the reception and the stations this person was pulling in, and I realized that this is a really great radio, a really high quality radio. So now I'm going to turn it on.
And the entire
it's currently set to a local radio station about maybe like 30 miles from me.
This is an individual on
This is where the antenna is pointed directly at where the station's broadcasting from. The station is west of me, and this is facing in a west-east direction. Now I'm going to turn it north-south. You can hear the signal decrease.
The same left is calling for the murdering of other,
and then I turn it the other way, and it will increase.
Now
I'm going to switch over to shortwave, and I'll show you some of the features with that. Real quickly, I'll turn it to WWV. So I don't want to calibrate it now, but earlier I did calibrate it using these buttons right here. When you have it at the 0, you can listen for the tones, and it will tell you when you're calibrated or not. You pull this lever down, and it will stay down. And this lever, you have to hold it down while turning the dial, and it will allow you to calibrate it to the frequency. For example, this is at 10 megahertz WWV, and this is calibrated to 0. It is a little bit off here for some reason, but this station is 9.265 megahertz, and this is reading 9.260. So it's off by 5 megahertz here. WBCQ for some reason is off a little bit more. So right here is WBCQ broadcasting at 9.330 megahertz. As you can see, the dial is almost to 9.220 megahertz. So it's off by 10 here, like a little bit more than 10, maybe like 12 megahertz. Or kilohertz, I should say. So I don't know why that is, but it's off by quite a bit. But it's fairly accurate. You could definitely tell that you're in that range. If you were to go to a digital radio, you could easily find this station, as opposed to using something like... That was weird. As opposed to using something like this radio, you really can't tell where you're at. But yeah, it's a really nice radio. I don't know what that is. It sounds like someone's broadcasting on this frequency, trying to jam the signal. I don't know. Hold on one second. So somebody is actively jamming WBCQ signal, and I don't know why that's happening. Right in the middle of this video where I was demonstrating this radio, WBCQ is being jammed by maybe a lower sideband person? I don't know what's happening here, but somebody is actively jamming WBCQ as I record this video, which is interesting. I wasn't expecting that to happen, but yeah, if you want to hear something cool and this video posts in time, I guess tune your receiver to WBCQ and you can hear this.